Hey there everyone, today let's talk about Copilot 3D, a free AI 3D generator, and you can see the quality in front of you, how all these 3D models are. And if you want to download it, you can download it from here. It is freely available. You can download it in these three format, which is GLB if you want to use it on web. Then there is a STL, which is great if you want to print it in your 3D printer, or you want to simply download a GIF file for animation. And not only you can interact with 3D model, but here if you see, you can also see the picture that is being utilized to create this 3D model, and then you can see both textured and non-textured version. And you might be thinking of, oh, what is so special then in this particular version? Well, if you go online and let me search here image to 3D converter, you may see a lot of paid website which lets you do the same but for good amount of money. Alright, and then you're gonna see the quality of their model is almost same, and then it is never about how big the library is, because you can generate whatever you want to. And since this is directly from Microsoft and Copilot, I'm very optimistic that the technology used here is also top notch. Alright, so far we have seen the publicly available characters, and then you can see their categories as well. Now let's try to generate our own, and for that again here I am going back to Google, and let's try generate something by ourselves. So I'm gonna, let's say, try to generate a castle, and let's go here in image mode, and let's say for example I want to generate this particular one. So let's save this in my desktop. Now I'm gonna go back here, and let's first of all close it, and let me show you how you can reach there. For that, simply click here on Windows button and look for Copilot. Now this is great because you do not need to install any third-party application. This is already part of Microsoft Copilot that comes pre-installed with your Windows. Now let's click here on this open sidebar and look for experiments. Click on it, and then here you're going to see the Copilot Lab, which contain experimental AI initiative. And one such initiative here we can see is Copilot 3D. You can see a quick overview of it and how you can utilize this. Alright, and I would definitely consider you to go through these FAQ if you want to use them commercially. Alright, so here you can see a quick overview of Copilot 3D. So if you want to know more, I would definitely consider you to quickly go through this information. Now let's click here on try now, and we are back to the same page that you were seeing till now. And now here you can also read about it, like it works best with single subject with even lightning and plain background. Okay, let's click here on upload image, and then I am going to select this castle, and let's now click here on create. And there you go guys, here we can see the 3D model is ready. Let's have a look at it. And let me also paste the image side by side so that you can review the quality of it, like how this one is built. So you can see that the result is quite impressive. And one more thing that I really like about, like you can really go inside of it as well. So if I want to go inside this castle, I can simply keep on zooming in, and then I can actually see how it is inside, which is kind of cool guys. Now let's talk about what will happen to your data. Well, it's going to be here till 28 days, so you can always go back and download your model, or you also have option to manually delete it. Like you uploaded your picture, created this 3D model, and you want to delete it. That is also feasible. Now again, if you want to know more about what are other terms and conditions, probably this is a very good quick overview platform where you can read about it. So that's how guys we can utilize this platform to generate 3D object. Now let me try once more, and this time I am going to take another example. For example, this lamp. Now of course this picture background is not completely plain, but we will still try and see how good this application is in converting this lamp into model. Alright, so finally here we can see this is the model created out of this picture, which in my opinion is not exactly same. And I can also see lot of detail also get lost, which I would say is quite obvious when we use these non-engineering options. Well, in this case the better option is websites like Fabrilox, which I think I have made a dedicated video on it, like how you can convert some analytical models really good. So for example, here in this website you're going to see so many options, and one such option is lamp design. And if I go and choose this particular one, which looks like this particular lamp, and then I have got these easy to change sliders, which kind of help me to form the shape that I want to. You can also find the link of studio.fabrilox in the description down below. And that's also wrap up this video, guys. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI, where we talk about several AI tools that can help you out in your day-to-day life. So please make sure you subscribe, and I will see you with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.